This is the unboxing video of kitchen in the box conventional air fryer. The other thing that it brings: trays, the rotisserie, and a air fryer bag. Here. Okay, this is the kitchen in the box air fryer. It has a different trays. Has a crumb tray on the bottom. It has, this is the element to heat up, top and bottom. This is the tray, the extra trays that it brings. Instructions, extra wide to fit chicken wings, chicken nuggets. Put them inside like this. And it fits perfectly. If you want to cook French fries, chicken nuggets, this thing fits right on the bottom, so everything can heat up. And if you want to put multiple things in there, and this is a baking tray. Instructions, the rotisserie to put a whole chicken in here. And that's how you hold the two chickens. You squeeze that in. And put it on like this. This will rotate. Very cool. This is another. This is to grab. This is a tool to grab the hot tray. This is. This is a tray to catch all the grease on the bottom, or even if you want to bake something in here, this is a perfect baker. It fits so many chicken wings and so many chicken nuggets in there, steak, salmon, everything. And when you're done with it, you can store all your tools, all the racks in there, and then when you don't need them no more, then you take it out. You turn it on. See, so it has the different settings. Air fryer. It has chips, wings, pizza, steak, cookies. And then if you want to put the dual cook, so it cooks in 2 different levels. Vegetables, reheat, bake, warm, defrost, dehydrate, which is very good. Bagels, toast. So it's very cool. There's all these different settings. You press that to change the thing. Okay, wings. You just gotta give it a few seconds. Pizza, and then even the time changes. And if you want to decrease, add time, decrease time. I'm gonna click there to put lower. And when the light on. That very cool. So this is the kitchen in the box conventional oven air fryer / rotisserie. Thank you for watching this unboxing video.